What is up, guys? Welcome back. I am going to attempt to change out this window here. I've got the trim off of the sides. We're gonna finish taking off the trim here and we're gonna pop it out from the outside, and we have one that's the same size. Hopefully it's sweet and easy.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, this is where it's getting sketchy. Got some little friends over here. There's brick, and I don't want to damage the brick, so having to break this frame out. And then now that I have this open, I think I might be able to get the wood shutters off to finish pulling it from the front. I'll have to go check right now. I'm just trying. Good times. Whose idea was this? Thanks a lot, babe.
Yay! Second window broken today.
For real. Thanks a lot, babe.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we are back. Went to church real quick, but this is the flange. I was not going to let it come out no matter how hard I tried. I should have just ripped these little things out from the beginning. Would have saved myself about 30 minutes of trying to figure out how to get that out. And breaking this little piece down here. Would have got it all out in one piece. You live and you learn. But alright, so we got all this wood around here. We got it off, and we're gonna take the rest of this window out. Got our window here. We're just using this cheap vinyl utility window for now, because I think once we're moved in, we will probably get the windows done later on, maybe next year or something. For now, we just want to change that one because my wife's redoing the whole kitchen, and she said it would look ugly. So this was like 90 bucks. We're just gonna use it temporarily. And again, when they do the windows, they'll do them from the outside, just like we did right now. So we won't have to worry about any of the inside finishes and stuff. And this is a 35.5 by 35.5 actual size.
Say it again, Chica.
Hi, Foggy.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm guessing you figured it out.
I think so. Alright guys, so we had to move some little spacer 2x4s that were right here. We'll put them back in after, but this little 1x4 right here was getting in the way of the lip for the window. So I kind of lifted it. I'm gonna try to put the window in and squeeze it and get the lip behind there, and then we'll nail this back the way that it was. Hopefully we can get it in there easily. All right, going. Try 3. 3rd time's a charm, they say.
Look, watch this take like 10 tries.
Why would you say that? Fix it. Why would you say that?
Do you need the drill?
Oh my God.
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
All right, guys, so we were going to cut part of the window off, but I remembered I have a chisel in the van, and so we are going to chisel this brick back to where we need it, and it's coming off pretty easily, so hopefully we can get the gap big enough to where that face of the window sits right behind the brick.
Almost.
Going.
Is it the same problem?
It's this little area right here. I missed a little piece.
Alright, well. Did you get it?
Alright, yeah. Almost.
Chica, don't tell me we're gonna fight.
Almost.
The same thing?
Huh?
Alright, so after multiple efforts, we were finally able to get the window in, and then we went ahead and put screws in every single one of the holes on the flange to hold it in place.
Alright guys, so we got the window in here, and I found this stuff at Lowe's.
So I went ahead and added this flashing tape to the window, put a piece on each side, and then I put a long piece across the top. I wasn't able to get under the brick, but I think this will be enough to keep any water from dripping down the edges. This window is covered, so I'm not really worried about that.
Alright guys, so we added that flashing around. I can't get under the bottom, but I feel like it'll help at least with the draft, any wind coming in those edges. And like I said, I checked, I didn't have any water damage here or inside around this window anywhere, so I feel comfortable just putting this on there. So we got it. We're going to put the trim back up and the plywood piece back up. Alright guys, so this is what our window looks like now. Sorry for the paper, we are painting already, but this is the trim that we did around it. And so this was our final product on the inside. It's pretty much ready to go, and I'll take you guys around the front and show you what the outside looks like still. Alright guys, so the outside is still the same. I haven't done anything. We cleaned up the bushes a little, so hopefully this weekend we can get the sheathing on here, and then some either wood shutters. I think I found the same ones at a lumber yard here in town, so I was kind of looking for that. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put siding in here, but I think I found the same style of wood shutters that we had that we can put right here, so that's what we've been waiting on. All right guys, so there you have it. That is our window. If you like the video guys, hit that like, that subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. It just tells YouTube's algorithm that people like the video and they show it to more people, so I really appreciate it. If you've hit that subscribe, thank you, and hit that like.